Let me start over.
Lydia, you're professional.
What? I just ran to the grocery store because we didn't have flour. We didn't own flour. So today, this is my whole recipe. I'm using a variation of Rose Nerdy Nummies Kirby jelly cake recipe.
Kirby?
Yeah, it was Kirby. And I'm using Rose ball pan today because we're going to make a blueberry jelly Blitzball cake. I'm very excited. I went ahead and my very fancy recipe. This is all the directions. We've got
This is fun.
1 1/4 cups of sugar. And we're going to put in 2 sticks of butter at room temperature. Like so. I hate touching butter. You're getting this nice shot of... It's very sticky.
Yeah, your dad did put it in the freezer for some reason.
Okay. I'm going to throw this away.
Very exciting, thank you.
Then I'm going to struggle to mash this up. Ah, see, it's not that bad.
Okay.
She uses a hand mixer. I don't...
Yeah, I'm used to hand mixers. This is...
See, I have the whiskey blades for it. Do not have the hand mixer itself for some reason. We have 2 different types, but no hand mixer itself.
This is one of the things that I went to get from your kitchen when we were trying to find things to open up those Yoshi eggs with.
Yeah?
So I'm sure this was in your front room for
It was.
Yeah.
It was.
Can I help you?
Oh, it's wiggle worm.
Oh, thanks.
Yes, you're seeing firsthand innovative fashion. Emmy is wearing a wiggle worm as a bracelet.
All the kids at school love it, so they're like 9, so.
Yeah, it'd be like that. Would you like this?
My hands are clean.
Okay. Did you touch my cat?
Yes, I did. I'll wash my hands.
Here, we have 4 eggs. I already mashed them up in a cup, so it'd be nice and easy to just... Gonna put all that chunky goodness in there.
Ew.
And then we're gonna blend it again. And I'll...
Oh, I'm doing it.
Yeah.
This is disgusting.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back to the whisk. Do you have a real whisk by chance?
No.
Why do I feel like you're lying?
I'm not lying.
I want to take off wiggle worm.
So determined. You're like, this is my life's purpose.
God.
These chickens are quaking.
The roosters.
Oh my god. We're not doing this again. Roosters are chickens.
I know.
Okay.
But chickens aren't roosters.
That's true, but still, roosters are chickens. So I can call it a chicken.
Gosh, do you think this is good?
For like a real purpose, no. But like for us, yes.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, next we have dry ingredients in here, which are 1 3/4 cup of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, and
That was a crisis earlier.
yeah, I had to run to I thought I was out of baking powder after I had just gotten back from the store. It's also pouring rain outside. We have baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda is also in here. So we're gonna do that a little bit, and then a little bit of this milk. There is 3/4 cup of milk in an actual cup. We're gonna alternate and stir and alternate and stir. Okay, that makes sense. So I want to express, Ro, write out your recipes. I couldn't just print it from somewhere. I had to write it out because she doesn't write it out anywhere. That's all.
No. Ah!
I'll just add a teaspoon of milk for all the milk we spill.
Is it on the floor?
And then we'll find it.
Man.
Yeah. Here.
Oh.
You want to pour? You like pouring things. So
Okay.
you pour things.
Oh, am I stirring as well?
Yeah, different angle.
Okay, hold on.
I don't want to
I don't think there's really any.
There is
on the,
milk on the floor.
it's on the stove.
You really did this to us.
I did it. This cup, you'll see when you try to pour with that cup. This kitchen wasn't made for cooking. You did that more gracefully than I did.
How big is the cake?
It's not that big. But it's 2 different half circle pans.
Oh, and you put it together.
Yeah.
I used to have one. Except they marketed it as a sport ball cake.
Oh, no.
They'd be like, you can turn it into a baseball or a soccer ball. I was losing track of sports.
Sport ball?
You can turn it into a sport ball. I also had a duck cake pan and a teddy bear cake pan.
Okay.
Could have made a Care Bear one. What's next?
Okay, so now Emmy has half a cup of blueberry jelly that she's gonna scoop right in there with a lot of little clanking because I picked glass for some reason.
Sorry, I'm trying.
That's okay.
I don't want to deprive you of this blueberry.
Look at that blueberry in there. Look at that blackness. And you're gonna whip it in there gently. I mean, you want to mix it all in, but you don't.
Well, this is what folding is.
Yeah.
You want me to fold it or
Yeah,
you
yeah.
stir it?
She doesn't really explain that well. She's just like, add strawberry.
Oh, she did hers with strawberry.
She talked for like 5 minutes
ugly
about her
fruit,
cake.
but yeah.
Yeah. She just put strawberry extract in there, and she said it so casually, like, add your strawberry extract. I couldn't find any
She
fruit
really
extract.
does not intend for people to make her recipes.
I don't know. Why would she sell the stuff to make it except...
Because if
Yeah.
they want to make it, they'll buy her books, but nobody just watching the videos is going to be like, I'm going to do this recipe on...
Yeah,
You
unlike
are.
me.
Okay, that drastically changed our cake mix.
Yeah, now it looks like blueberry muffin mix.
Oh. Probably could have just followed a blueberry muffin recipe.
No, it's not going to have the right texture if it's a muffin.
Okay.
A muffin.
Okay, is this good?
Yeah.
I think those are blueberry chunks.
Yeah, that's good. She also added food coloring, but I don't want to do that.
I mean, we could.
Nah. So I forgot to get the cooking spray, so we're going to butter our pans.
Wait, these are like kind of lopsided. Is that fine?
That's fine. What do you mean they're lopsided, though?
Egg.
Bro,
Bro.
I have some questions. Butter the pans.
So aggressive.
We're gonna scoop a sloop. Some batter in there. Using a measuring cup. Not because we're measuring.
Just because you don't have a ladle.
Yeah, I don't have a ladle. So, I mean, the bowl has a pour spout, but it's a huge bowl to be doing
This
like
is
that.
easier. This like makes sure that I'm doing it right.
Yeah. Because you want to make sure you get equal amounts in each pan.
And this doesn't rise.
No, it doesn't really rise because of the jelly.
Wow.
Wow. You're being very meticulous.
I'm gonna regret asking this, but like, what is this thing we're making?
It's a blitzball. It's a sports ball. I told you yesterday that Titus plays blitzball. From Final Fantasy X. We listened to the soundtrack.
Oh.
Glad you listened.
No, I was listening, but like, you were just like, it's a blitzball, and I'm like, I know, like, I got no clue what's going on here, but I'll act like I do. Oh, a blitzball, yeah!
Do you want to scrape the bowl? Or are we just...
I just let Athena eat it.
Remember when I told you not to eat raw flour?
Oh my god, how is that any worse than eating raw egg?
You'd also be eating raw egg with this. 2 wrongs don't make a right. 2 wrongs.
Okay.
Okay. These are gonna get popped in the oven for 30 minutes. Oh, turn off the sink.
Alright.
These are gonna Get put in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. Do you want to do putting in the oven action?
One does.
Oh, that one has a hole in it.
Okay, I won't use it when we take it out.
Okay.
This is like a lot of pressure. What if they fall off?
Be careful with them. And also don't leave the oven open the whole time. You're going to let the heat out.
I just stare at you.
Yay! So for the little bubbles, we have a mold here. The Blitzball has little bubbles on it. So we've got a mold here, and we're gonna melt down some blue and white airheads and some blue Jolly Ranchers to make the bubbles because I saw it on the internet. Not for this, but melted. So let's microwave it and do it. You don't really need to get me microwave.
It's funny, and also the lighting's better over here, so.
Don't get me microwave with this. Okay, we have our melted airheads and Jolly Ranchers.
I think it's gonna get really thick, and that's why it's hard to pour.
Okay, you're gonna want to scrape those. Okay. Okay, we filled almost all the bubbles. We got a little messy, so we didn't get the last two full, but it doesn't really matter. We cleaned up and just scraped this once it started cooling. Yep, those are hot still. They're falling out. It's very hot.
Stop touching it!
I have to. And then our cakes are also cooling. And you can see they rose a pretty okay amount.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Pretty even, actually.
So we're going to put this in the fridge. And that'll dry.
It's perfect how empty your fridge is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I also said dry. That'll cool. And then we'll come back to decorate. Okay. We took the 2 halves of cake and put them together. And we're having a rough time with this, but we're going to spread some blue and decorate, and then we will come back to look at this beauty. And here we have our rough finished cake. The little bobble idea came out very well. I might have like stuck some picks or some kind of way to adhere them better. But you can see the idea is there. The frosting job, not good. But it's gonna taste good. Do we
I
wanna,
really tried.
do we want to like cut into it?
Sure.
Nice. Oh, jeez. Saved. What an unsatisfying.
I'm sorry.
It's 2 little pieces though.
Here.
Each get a piece of the little gumball. Yay. We'll do the little. Mmm.
It's
Would you also like to try a piece?
Yeah, sure. Oh, it's good. It's still kind of warm, and I think that was our problem.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, we didn't let it cool long enough. But
We were a time crunch.
yeah, but the concept, the recipe is really good. I linked to the mold in the description, the silicone mold, and you can have fun with it and try and make something like this. It's good. Jelly cake, good. If you like the video, should give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun stuff. I'm gonna eat this. Subscribble and dribble your Blitzball.